how to create quantity discounts on Shopify. I've just logged into my Shopify account here, and we're going to use the search bar to search for discounty. So we're going to search for this in the Shopify App Store here, and I'll show you how this application works. So we're going to get this one, discounty, bulk discount sales, and we're going to click on install here. Now we will need to grant it permissions to install by clicking on this install button. And like I said, I'll give you an overview of this application. It's easy to use, and we can easily create quantity discounts in Shopify using it. So I'll just close this window out, and it's going to look like this here. So we want to choose create campaign. So you will see this. So the campaign name. So for example, we can do 20% off. I'll do 10% off. Now this is the important part here. Discount type. We can do quantity and volume discount sale. So once we click on it, then we can choose minimum purchase amount or minimum quantity of items. So I'll do quantity of items for this tutorial. And the percentage here, we can choose different types of discounts. So for example, percentage, fixed amount, or new price. So I'm going to do percentage, and we'll do 10% off, like the name here. And the minimum quantity of items, how many items will people need to purchase to receive this 10% off discount. So I'm going to do 3 items at least. And then we can also set minimum purchase requirements and discount for each line of order individually here if we check this. But basically, if they have 3 items or more, so if I type out 3 here, it should calculate the discount for me. And basically, after you have filled out this information, you'll click on save here, and you can use this discount, this quantity discount. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.